Hello, everybody. Welcome to Monday. The S&P 500 was down about 1/3% today. And really, there was some big news today that they decided to reaffirm the Federal Reserve Chairman Powell will be again on for another 4 years. And this is a really big deal to the market. It jumped very high early this morning, ended up coming back down. A lot of that actually has to do, in my opinion, with kind of the holiday week here. A lot of traders and different people aren't involved as much right now. So we'll have to see what happens, really, probably more so next week. But it is important. I have to say that, if I have to follow kind of one government organization and try to understand what's happening with the stock market, it's not the White House, it's not the Senate, it's not Congress, it's not even these big bills that they're trying to pass. It is the Federal Reserve. They have the ability to set interest rates, which creates a higher or lower money supply. And when the higher money supply comes in, a lot of that money can sometimes end up in the stock market and such too. So you get this nice run up. And then, of course, as they tighten, sometimes that can be restrictive to the stock market. So that's why we watch that so much and talk about it so much. The big advantage of putting Chairman Powell back in place is just consistency. He did, over the last 4 years, navigate through this coronavirus pandemic, at least so far. And so, having kind of that same person on hand for the next 4 years, while they try to figure out how to, raise rates, when to raise rates, how to, kind of come back out of this pandemic. And I will say there's no playbook for this, right? I mean, the last pandemic was more than 100 years ago. So, trying to figure your way through there, some consistency, I think, is what the market appreciates here as far as that goes. So, I think this is good news for the market. We'll see what happens, going forward. There are 7 board governors altogether, including the Fed chairman. They all get a vote, so it's not just him, although he does get to set the agendas and those types of things. So he's definitely considered the more powerful. And of course, he's the face in terms of meeting with the press and what have you too. So I think so far he's done a good job of communicating, in advance of what they're going to do, which seems to be helping the market quite a bit. Still think things are really good here. Still moving on as far as that goes. So, we'll see what happens tomorrow. Talk to you then. Thank you.